Right, okay, this is a audio test for the new temporary camera I'll be using. So this is 30 miles an hour, visor down, just talking moderate volume voice. Okay, so there's 40. I'm going to try speaking quite quietly now, you can still fix it all up, and see what sort of crackle, whatever, you get at high volume speaking, like this. Okay, so we'll speed up a bit, see what the wind noise is like. Feels good in the helmet. When it's structured. I know it's there, but I can still see. This will sort of be serving as an angle test as well, because it's the first time I've used this camera. It is a Samsung D1070. It's just something records better quality than my old MD80, whilst I'm waiting for my, waiting to save for my Drift Stealth that I'm going to be ordering soon. Not sure if there'll be any motion blur, that dodgy wavy liney stuff that you get on some recorders. Yeah, and basically just an introduction video to my new channel, which is Meat Monkey 100, replacing Sheepdog 148. So it was just an old spare account that I had lying around, and this is going to be my proper vlogging channel. I'm sure most people watching this have seen my old videos, my last account, so no real need for a proper introduction there. I'd also like to get to try some different angles with this camera on the bike, because it's a lot stabler than the old MD80, so I might pull over in a second, I'll have to camera out my helmet, try and put it on the bike somewhere. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. On the back grab rail, maybe. Yep, so I'll pull over and do that in my next opportunity, which is I don't know when. Yeah, hang on. Right, there is 30 miles an hour with visor up. Wind noise will probably be pretty bad now, so put it back down a second. I'd also like to see what it's like through the tinted visor. Not tried that yet.